Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? Welcome to Joyce Ira Cooks. Ang gagawin po natin ngayon ay paksiw na isda. Dahil medyo mahirap po halapin ang galunggong at milkfish dito sa Cambodia, I decided to use mackerel for this dish. What we need is 1 mackerel, some salt and pepper. Make sure peppercorns po yung gamitin ninyo. Vinegar, water, garlic, onion, and ginger. At syempre, marami pong ampalaya para mas masarap ang putahe. Ang unang-una po natin gagawin ay ilalagay natin ang vinegar in the pot. Then we will also add our water. Gusto ko po na malasa ang sabaw, kaya I will add my ginger now. Then I will bring this to boil. Now that our water, vinegar, and ginger are already boiling, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our fish. And then I will also put our onions now on the sides. And the garlic. Napakadali lang po nitong recipe na to dahil all you need to do is bring or put all the ingredients in a pot and then let it simmer. And then basically, ayun na po yung dish. Also add your peppercorns and your salt. And then haluin lang po natin ng konti just to make sure that all the ingredients have already been mixed well in the pot. Then last but not the least, ilagay po natin ang ating ampalaya. And then make sure to cover the lid. Tingnan na po natin ang ating niluluto. Wow! Luto na! Konting pakulo na lang po at pwede na itong iserve. Bago nyo po iserve, make sure na tikman nyo muna ha, kasi baka minsan medyo matabang po sa panlasa ninyo. So, ang gawin nyo lang po is i-adjust nyo lang ng konti yung alat. You can add a little bit of patis if you like, but for me, I think this is already good. I'm just gonna boil it for a little bit more and then ready na itong iserve. Ito na po ang ating finished product. Paksiw na isda na merong luya, sibuyas, bawang, at maraming ampalaya. Kain na po tayo!